Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Karla and today I am tackling my craft storage in this room. I've really wanted to declutter and organize it much better. So if you're looking for ideas and tips to declutter and organize, stay tuned. I do lots of cleaning videos, organization, and decluttering as well as hauls. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you along. Alright, so here is everything. And then I just have all the fabric right there because I'm just going to go through it all anyway. So I'm going to just take it out one cube at a time. And then all my scrapbook stuff, the boys' coloring stuff, more coloring stuff, arts and crafts stuff right there, my sewing machine. Alright y'all, and the first tip is to remove everything from the area that you want to declutter and organize. As you saw in the very beginning, I took everything off the cube storage. That way I could start off on a clean slate, except for the fabric because I knew it was going to go through that. But when you are tackling a area that you want to declutter, do that. Take it all out so you can see all that you have. Alright, and as you see, I'm just going through all the fabric, and I just wanted to let y'all know about this cube storage. We actually got it from Walmart and it's super sturdy, very good quality. We actually have two of them and one in our living room as well. It's held up really well with moving and no issues at all. Like, we seriously love these cube storages. So when going through all your craft items, my next tip is to get rid of those items you have not used for a while. So there was some fabric in there that I had not used in a long time, and I was just holding on to it. Same with some yarn. I knew I wasn't going to use it. So get rid of those items that you know you're not going to use or have no interest anymore in the style of fabric or the print. Just that way you can either get some new ones that are in or some more that you like. But that way you can get rid of the stuff you're not going to be using or you haven't used in a while. Alright, and my third tip is to clean off the area you are decluttering. So in this case, it would be the cube storage. You know, you have everything out. This is your chance to get it clean. So go ahead and give it a good wipe down. Tip number 4 is to organize in sections. So I am going through the boys' coloring items right now. So you want to put all these like items together, and just like I did with the fabric, it went all together and I decluttered it all together as well. And then I section off all the yarn items as well. And I also have a bin for ribbons and that's sectioned off as well. So you just want to organize in like sections, that way you can keep those items together. I have totally been on a decluttering and organizing kick on my whole house actually. So let me know down below if you guys have been decluttering or organizing since the new year, and if so, what areas have you decluttered and organized? Because I've pretty much done my whole house. I also tackled my office because it was a hot mess. Everything was being dumped in there. So be on the lookout for that video as well. Let me know down below, guys, what you guys have been decluttering and organizing. then my last tip is to donate or give away the items that you're getting rid of, or sell whatever it is that you're getting rid of. Get rid of it as soon as possible. That way you can help avoid hanging onto the items or keeping the items, and also you won't see the clutter hanging around in your house. So get rid of it, donate it as soon as possible. Okay guys, this is the final product. There's all my scrapbook paper, my small amount of Cricut items, and then my fabric that I kept and yarn that I kept, scrapbook, books, and just regular books, my sewing kit machine, my ribbons, learning stuff, all the coloring, and I decided to put all of the coloring books in here, and then like all the learning stuff like letters and all that back here, so the kids can pick from the front, and then like construction paper. That way they can come in here and pick out stuff that's easy to access. And then this is the stuff I am donating, all of that. Alright y'all, that wraps up my craft room storage, declutter and organize. I hope you got some ideas and tips to help organize your craft area as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!
Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.